Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls, they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life.
Hi guys! I'm so fucking excited! Okay, so it's Friday, August 10th. I'm going to Jamaica on 4 days! I'm going to Jamaica on 4 days. I'm going to Jamaica on Tuesday. Oh my god, I want to do Oh my god. By the time this goes up, I will already be there, you guys. I'm so excited. But anyways, I just left. I went to drop off something for her. Well, not for my sister. At my sister's, I dropped off my hair so she can dye it, or bleach it, or should say. And now I'm going home. I also went to the dollar store. I had to go pick up some stuff for my cousins. I'm gonna make them some little gift bag stuff and stuff like that. Oh my god, I'm never really bring anything for those cousins. You know my little baby cousins in Trelawney. Yeah. So I just got some like coloring books and markers and pencil crayons and stuff like that. And then I'm just gonna get them some candy. I have some school supply stuff. I'm gonna just make up like some goodie bags and stuff like that for them. And I don't really want to record too much so you guys can see where I'm at, you know. Yeah. Hold on. So yeah, it's crunch time. It's my last weekend here. So I'm literally just getting everything ready. I just went on Instagram. Look at my nails, you guys. This is the crustiest I've ever been. I just went on Instagram a while ago and did a poll about my different shape sizes. I mean, the different shapes that I'm thinking of doing my nails. I always do coffin, but I was thinking to like, you know, change it up a little bit or whatever. But we shall see what I decide to do. I gotta do my hair. Either my hair or my nails this weekend, and then Monday, whichever one I don't do, I'm gonna do Monday because I'm going to work still. So I gotta finish packing and everything really by Sunday, which I really do think I'm done packing because like my suitcases are closed. Anything else is just gonna be thrown in. And yeah, so this is the preparation vlog. So yeah, you guys, we're going to Jamaica. Ready? Let go. Hi guys. Yeah, so excuse me, I came back home a long time ago, and I'm perming my hair currently. I want to keep it in. Oh shit, I'm gonna wash it out now. I said I wanted to keep it in for about 45 minutes, which I have. Oh god, I feel like headache is coming in, so I'm gonna go wash it out. But I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you guys know this is a part of the process. Yes, we are getting ready for vacation. I cannot wait to do this. Like, I cannot. I'm tired for a walk around and I look so. I just don't want to do them too early and then pop off. But then I'm like, what's early? I'm leaving in 4 days. Almost 3. Then almost 2. I normally get ready like a day before, you know? But I feel like I'm going to work the day before. So yeah. Tomorrow I gotta go on the road, pick up any last minute stuff. Sunday, my hair. Or my nails. No. I'm gonna do my nails Sunday. And then afterward go and do my hair. I mean, I can do both Sunday and just be ready Monday. Like, just come home Monday and just, I think that's what I'm going to do. Do my hair Sunday, do my nails Sunday, and just chill Monday. Like, go to work, maybe even leave work a little bit early and come home and just make sure everything is done. Because I got to be at the airport for like 6 o'clock Tuesday morning. And I still don't know who's taking me to the airport yet. Somebody wants to take me, but I feel like asking my sister, but then again, I feel like letting them just take me, so we'll see. But, yeah. So I'm going to wash this out. I don't know if I'll be back, but I'm gonna wash this out before I have no hair left. Okay, no, my hair's still intact. Okay, yeah, I'll be back. Hi guys. So my hair is washed, blow dried, and everything. I'm waiting for my mom to come home so she can oil my scalp for me. It's after midnight. And I just ordered some food. I just got me some Wendy's with Skip the Dish. Yo, Skip the Dish be saving my life. Skip the Dish be coming clutch sometimes. Yo, like, I really wanted to go outside and get something to eat, but I'm like, yo, I have to perm my hair. Like, I have to perm my hair and stuff like that. Like, I gotta do what's important. Not that eating is not important, but with Skip the Dish, like, yes. Yo, if you guys are in Canada and y'all have not tried Skip the Dish as of yet, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Some of the most bomb ass restaurants deliver food to your house. Like, oh my gosh. But anyways, I'm gonna eat and wait for mommy to come home and do my hair and then go to bed, because I want to get up early in the morning time and do road and do as much as I possibly can do. So until tomorrow, I'll see you guys later again. Bye. So guys, just got home. This is my damage for today. I don't know if I should do another haul, but yeah, anyways, I just got home. I'm gonna like take a quick nap because your girl is tired, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I got. And yeah, I'm tired. My nails hurt. I cannot wait for tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's 11:49 in the night right now. It's 11:49 in the night right now, right? You know what I'm saying? And I'm here and I'm packing. I'm just going over all of my stuff, making sure everything is in my suitcase because I have all of this stuff to fit in here, right? My hand luggage is just gonna be my computer. Look at my toes, they're so crusty. It's only gonna be my computer and the stuff that's already currently in there right now, and maybe like the candies, which I feel like I need to get some more. But I'm making little like packages, like little packages for like my baby cousins in Trelawney, as I was telling you guys. I think I was telling you guys, but yeah, that's what I was doing for that. So I'm just gonna pack them up just like that. In the guys, do you see this? Everything is filled all the way like to the brim. Like, this is Kamari's suitcase first and foremost. Let me just show you guys this little boy. Okay, you see this? Everything in this suitcase is Kamari's. Okay, like, I don't know. And then my sister today asked me to send down the shoes for somebody, to carry down the shoes for somebody. So I don't know. And then I have to put these cups in here. And then I still have like the bachelorette shit stuff to put in as well. Right? So yeah, it's a lot. I feel a little bit overwhelmed right now, but I have to retake out some stuff because I know what I'm wearing down now. I think I have either two outfits. Okay, so the first one would be this. Okay, so two outfits. This sheer something bodysuit with this skirt, or this tube top bodysuit with these pants. So either or is wearing down. If not, then it's going in my suitcase. Y'all, my nails are so crusty. Focus now. Like, girl, do you see this crust? This is unacceptable. Never catch yourself walking outside. I'm gonna insert a meme that fits my life right now, like for the last 2 weeks, because yeah. Okay. But yeah, these are the two outfits. I don't know, by the time this goes up, obviously I would have chosen which one I'm going to wear, but it's going to be either one of the two. I'm thinking more so along the lines of this, but y'all know yellow is my favorite color. And then I'm just thinking traveling, maybe pants would just be a little bit more easier, but because of how this fits, these pants are really like, they just slide down. So I want to be comfortable, but then I feel like me walking, like I'm fat, my legs are going to rub together. Like, I don't know if I want to do all of that, but then I could just put on some shorts and be comfortable in that. So, and then I'm going to Jamaica, like I'm going to be hot. So, and it's hot here. So I'm just thinking maybe that's what I'll end up doing. The skirt is more so what I'm leaning towards anyways. So yeah. And then, yeah, so I'm just going to go in the suitcase, put all this new stuff in the suitcase. I have to sort out my jewelry stuff. I bought my sandwich bags to put them in, so I'm going to sort out my jewelry stuff. I'm going to put my electronic stuff away. That's something for my daddy. My jewelries, everything's in there for the wedding and stuff. And then just pack up the rest of my stuff. I'm going to try to put the dress in here too. And yeah, I think I'll be done after that. So, yeah.
Any boy box me a run off, you think me a run it up? Let me tell you what I want. Hey, hey, let me go, why? Hey, 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 hey. Me not joking, so me must can beat you. And the price of the panty, I want in them. What in them, I say, I want in them. And the price of the panty, I want in them. I want some girl to do for my deal.
I'm gonna look like right now. Anyways, hey guys, it's your girl ZO-ESHAAA. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so it is Sunday, August the 12th. That means I'm going to Jamaica in 2 days. 2 freaking days, guys. Okay, so I did my nails. I got my nails done today. Focus now. Yeah, so I got my nails done today. This is the shape that I end up going with. I absolutely, whoa, absolutely love them. Yes, we were told to do white, so I did white. So, you know, I had to do like a design. I was gonna put some diamonds, but I'm content. So, dilemma, my hair. My sister has an infection in one of her fingers, so she is unable to do my hair. Zoe LZ Brown has never let like any other hairdresser do my hair other than my sister. Like, if it's not my sister, it's myself, but I don't let anybody do my hair. So I'm like screwed right now, because I don't know what to do. Like, I mean, I could do my hair myself, but I just don't want to do it. Like, I don't want to do it. I love the pleasure of getting my hair done, like, and I don't feel like I want to do it right now. And like, it's not in my, it was not in my plan to pay anybody to do my hair or anything like that. So like, I feel like I'm kind of messed up there right now. So I initially was going to work tomorrow, so I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna have to leave a little bit earlier, because if I am going to do my own hair, that's going to take up a couple hours of my time, right? I'm not saying that I can't do it. Whoa, what the frig? Hello, your face. Like, what is your problem, girl? Anyways, not saying that I can't do it, because I don't plan to sleep anyway. So like, I mean, like, that could be like the last thing that I do is like my hair. But there's this girl in Jamaica that said she would do my hair for $2,500, so that's a $25 goodie. But do I want to go on the plane with my hair like this is the question, right? I don't think so. Because I feel like when I got Jamaica, like, you know, me just for shot, like, me just forgot Jamaica and everything for up and up and up, like nothing for down, you see me, unless I'm a weave for down, you see me. So yeah, my phone is okay, whatever. My phone is about to die, but that's my dilemma right now. So I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna probably leave work early tomorrow, because I have a couple of things to do, but everything that I need to do is literally across the street, so it's not that bad, and everything is open up until about 9 o'clock. So I mean, I could stay at work for the whole day and just do the shift and then just come home and do what I have to do. But my sister's not going to work. If she can just guide me, because I don't really weave my hair. I've done it before a lot when I was in like high school and stuff, but I have not really weaved my hair. Braiding, no problem, but weaving I have not really done. I've done wigs, excuse me, which I could do, but I can't bother with them something there right now. Like, I can't bother. So that is gonna be my goal for tomorrow. And then other than that, like, we're pretty much good. Like, I'm packed. Like, I'm legit packed. My suitcases, my hand luggage, and then I have one next suitcase in there. Everything is legitimately, oh god. Anyhow, I'm going to my bed, but everything is packed and ready to go. So yeah, like, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I'm gonna say tomorrow. I'm so nervous. I've never been this nervous. Like, I don't know, I'm so many things. Like, I'm anxious, I'm nervous, I'm excited, of course. Like, I'm going to Jamaica. Like, I can't freaking wait to, like, wake up in my bed, see my daddy every day. Like, see my daddy every day. Oh my god, I miss my daddy so freaking much. And then I have Kamari. Oh my god, I'm not really gonna get to see Kiana too much. Like, I'll probably see her like in the evening times or whatever, so I'm probably gonna have to go stay with her for like a day or two or something like that. But then my schedule is kind of like all over the place too, because I have like plans. Okay, so yeah, like, I'm not really gonna be accessible to people as much as they would want me to be accessible to them, but I saw you go sometime. I will be back. But I'm really freaking I don't know how to explanation it, you guys, but I'm just excited. Like, I'm excited. Like, I'm always excited to go to Jamaica, but like, this is just I don't know if this if this is like a good or a bad something, like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm to be this excited, but me excited. So yeah, like, I don't know how I'm gonna manage at work tomorrow. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna manage, but yeah. And tomorrow I gotta email the guy, my travel agent, because now he hasn't emailed me my itinerary. So I have to make sure it's a good girl I get on plane, because if not, there's going to be a problem if me cannot leave at Pearson National. Look, me can't even say the airport name good. Pearson International Airport Tuesday morning. Okay, so yeah. But anyways, I think this will be the end of this vlog. The next vlog is going to be the night before I leave, leading into the morning of me going away. Oh, you guys, we're going to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica. We're going to, you guys, we're freaking going to Jamaica. Like, hello. I wish I had my camera, but don't worry, good. The next time, everything I'll go up, yo. Like, this is just a go in, go out, breeze out trip, you see me? And then come back, and then the real shellings, like the real shellings are gonna go on the next trip. Like, I am looking forward to the next trip, because like, the next trip to Jamaica for me is gonna be life-changing on so many levels. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, I just have so much in store for you guys. Like, just stay tuned and enjoy the frigging ride. Like, life is amazing. Like, life is amazing. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, life is amazing. It's amazing. But I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching me get ready for Jamaica. Or, nah, it'll be in the next vlog. Anyways, yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.